Have you ever seen this gun before?
Yeah. I think we went before.
With this?
No, not with that.
Yeah, we went back there before. I want to show you how, but I seen a deer and a coyote back there yesterday.
Cool.
That coyote more made me poop my pants when I seen it. I like walking through here. It's probably property this, so I do need to be quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we're going back there. Not until they cut it down. We can get somewhere and sit down and wait for some birds or squirrels. You want to?
Yeah. Let me just...
I wish we didn't have foot stomps, man. I don't think these are things. No, these aren't things.
Ow.
I'll try to knock it down for you so you can walk through this. Okay, you want to sit right here?
No, I'm good. I'll stand. Alright, that's all.
Now we wait. I smell deer pee.
Ow, my butt.
Yeah. Straight up on the tree. I aimed at it like this. Blowed his brains out.
Cool.
I killed 2 squirrels today. And two birds yesterday and 2 squirrels today. And I killed, I killed 2 squirrels and a bird. That bird I just killed back there. It was a cardinal. You know, the red birds?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why don't you just pick them up? It's because they carry diseases and you didn't want to. You didn't have gloves. You have to have gloves.
Yeah. What would you think if I killed a rabbit? Would you be like, wow?
I'd grab it.
You think you can sit? You don't want to shoot?
You can shoot it for now. But in a couple.
This ain't a real gun.
I know that. I've shot it.
Why don't you want to shoot?
Not right now.
You're scared.
I'm just trying to.
You know, birds don't have ears, right? Like squirrels